Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it was a fairly lackluster day in the market today. You can see this candle right over here. That's today's candle, and had sort of a long wick to the upside, long wick to the downside, and it ended up closing just slightly below where it opened. Very, very small body. We call that a doji. And especially when dojis like that occur on pretty low volume, today's volume was definitely in the low 25th percentile for the past 4 months or so. That indicates a lot of non-committalness on market participants. The buyers nor the sellers have control, and there's uncertainty because there's not a lot of new information hitting the market this week until Friday. Friday is the big one. That's the employment situation, and all eyes will be on that number. That number tells all. Because if more people are employed than we thought, or fewer people are employed than we thought, that's going to change interest rate policy, which is the Fed's tool, that and of course reversing quantitative easing. It's the Fed's tool for fighting inflation and trying to prevent a recession. And so, yeah, Friday's number, big, important one. So I think the way the U.S. stock market will trade the rest of this week is probably a fair amount like we saw today until Friday. And we're likely to see some action on Friday after the open, and probably well into next week as the market digests that news. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.